We're doing 19 Optic for Charles. Optic Hobby football.
Package it for shipping and sources. Free team bag. I don't know if maybe you guys had some dummies too or something like that, like some dummy cards. Or if you guys had envelopes.
We're getting low on dummy cards.
Well, I'm not trying to take your stock.
We haven't broken any upper deck in a while.
There's not enough. We used to have a big box of those things.
I bet they're pretty much the only ones that are putting them in. Oh, Panini does it now too. I guess.
Some products.
I mean, if you're packing up cards, you can just beat up top orders.
I think about that. You guys have maybe 10 envelopes for sale, obviously. Then I'm in the right place. They're probably all going to be just like regular bubble shipments, and then maybe one of them will be
Good luck, Charles.
larger. But
Oh, man. Didn't we hit one of these yesterday? Gold. Aaron Rodgers. 5 of 10. There you go, Charles.
put that one today.
Nice.
It's already up the door though.
Oh.
It was a raffle win, so I just flipped it.
What do they sell for now?
It's a 320. I took 250 on it. Just to do it real quickly.
Yeah.
It was a done deal.
There's a nice quarterback. Not autoed, but still. Zeke. Tyree Jackson blue. Jordan Scarlett Holo. Fitzgerald Retro. Slayton out of 199. Baker Mayfield Elite, Bosa rated rookie. Redemption. We have not pulled, isn't it Locke people say is the best redemption? We've not pulled one of him. Gary Jennings Jr. Holo. Yeah, I think this is the same case that had the other Aaron Rodgers. About Tyreek Hill. Good luck, Charles. Rated rookie autograph gold. Come on, be luck. A lock, I mean. 185. Benny Snell Jr. Still gold. Double gold in the box. Nice box, Charles. 1 through 3 if you want.